Today we're gonna dive on into an easy keto recipe, which is a chocolate chip cookie dough dip. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChocZero to show you how to make this delicious dip that can be made in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, start by combining 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with half of a cup of softened butter. For sweetness, I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener. You could use whatever powdered sweetener you'd like, along with a teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, just to get that sort of salty cookie dough flavor. Mix that all together until it's smooth and creamy. And then of course we're gonna add in ChocZero's milk chocolate baking chips. They have a wide range of other flavors too, so you could experiment with their white chocolate, the mint, they have strawberry, dark chocolate, have at it. But we're gonna need 1 cup of chocolate chips in here. Fold those chips in and your dip is done. How simple was that? Now you're probably wondering what sort of dipper you can use to eat this delicious keto chocolate chip cookie dough dip. Well, a spoon is probably my #1 choice, but you could use pork rinds, you could use berries like strawberries or raspberries or blackberries. If you have any keto crackers, that would be a good combination with this where it's salty and sweet. You could even get some sugar-free ice cream cones and top it on there so it looks like it's a cookie dough ice cream. The possibilities are endless, and this is one dip that you should definitely make because it's so easy and your guests and family will love it. Don't forget to tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto chocolate chip cookie dough dip.